Welcome to 1132 Piedmont Road, Venice, Florida. This beautiful 1,642 square foot home combines style, comfort, and space. Let's take a look inside. We start in the spacious living room, featuring a clean, modern layout. This inviting area is perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The master bedroom provides a private retreat with direct access to the screened-in lanai and pool area. Spacious and serene, this bedroom is the perfect place to relax and recharge. The fully equipped kitchen is designed with elegance in mind, featuring modern gray and white tones. Step outside to the pool area, complete with a screened-in lanai and comfortable chaise loungers. This is the perfect space to unwind, with a serene setting for sunny days and relaxing evenings. The backyard offers the ideal setup for outdoor gatherings, featuring a grill and ample space for seating. Finally, the spacious garage offers room for all your storage needs. With 2,060 square feet of comfort and style, this home is ready to welcome you. From stylish interiors to perfect outdoor areas, contact us today to make this dream home yours.